Bila tandundu dundu sesuma woni yasura ayabdu no ben zam kulna waljili anja kan ya tu qalbi farbi ya da farbi wuga badbani wa madali
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. You have met the real man. I hope you understand. You have met the real man. Even if you see the face, you know that you are talking to the real man. This is the great Chief Sarkin Saba Powers from Northern Region. I'm here to let people know that there is spirit in the planet. If only you go to the place where there is spirit, or if only where you go, the place where you go is the place that there is real spirit is. I hope you understand. I'm not boasting that I am the best, or I'm not saying that I'm the one who can do. But I said whatever that I say is what I'm going to do. I will never say what I cannot do in this planet. I hope you understand what I'm saying. But there are many people on the social media, many people on televisions saying they are helping. I hope you understand. And this way you see me sitting down here, it's not like I go for the spirit. I was born with it. It's a spiritual spirit, or it's a spiritual family gate spirit that I inherited from my forefathers, from my grandfathers to my father, and from my late father to me. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So I'm not coming out here to insult someone or to say bad about someone. You yourself, you are watching me, the one you are watching me. You've met a lot of people. I hope you understand. And you have never get what you need in this planet. And if you are going to some place without not reaching there, never say that you are tired. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Just focus on your journey, and you'll get to the last stop of your journey. And I am the last stop of your journey. Never say that you have tried many people and it never worked. Everybody and his or her spirit. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So if you meet me, or if you meet any of my posts, just call me on video call to see the person that you are talking to. Because a lot of people on the social media using my videos and my pictures to fraud people, and it gives me problems all the time. And I've been paying debts and things for that. I hope you understand what I'm saying. And I'm going to tell people that if you really need my help, you need to believe and trust spirit before you reach me. Because spirit is working by trust. If you believe in spirit, you'll be seeing the action of spirit, or you'll be seeing the symptoms of spirit. Or always, if you go to spiritual work will be working for you. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So if you are going to some place you are not reaching there, never say that you are tired. I'm here to put stop to all the challenges and the difficulties that you are facing in your family. I hope you understand what I'm saying. What I said I can do it. And what I said I cannot do it. And I'm not boasting that I'm the best. But I'm saying what I can do. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So don't be afraid to take my number to call me and tell me any kind of spiritual problem that you are facing. I hope you understand what I'm saying. The distance is not the problem. Don't matter about the distance. I hope you understand. What you need to have to do is that you have to have faith and believe in what we are going to do, and we are going to describe to God, and God will put his blessing eyes on it, and it will work for me and you all. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Anything that I'm doing, I put God in front before doing anything else. So God never fails me in any good work that I do in this planet. So I believe the good work that I'm doing. I hope you understand what I'm saying. And I'm not doing this work for money. I don't need money. What is money? I have money. I have everything. I hope you understand what I'm saying. But I have come out to let people know that there is real spirit if you only go and meet the real person, like me, Chief Sarkin Saba Powers, one, the great one. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So what are you sitting down waiting for? What are you sitting down waiting for? I'm out here to solve all kind of problems that you are facing. In case you have spiritual marriage problem, I hope you understand. Instant money, spiritual money, marriage problem, court cases, traveling to abroad, exam success, infertility, stroke. I hope you understand. Mention them to cut a spell. You understand? Do as I say. Pocket no dry. Instant money. Just call me for any kind of spiritual problem that you have. Inshallah Rabbi, and it shall be solved for you. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So you who are looking me, what are you waiting for? If you know you are suffering from any kind of spiritual problem or any kind of spiritual disease, whether physical or what, spiritual, just take my number and contact me, inshallah Rabbi. Then I'll put God in front. Then God will put his blessing eyes on what we are going to do, and everything will make successful for you. I'm not saying that I can do, because I am not the doer. God is the doer. But I only know how to describe. I set God front before I do all my work. So God never fails me in any good work that I do. I hope you understand what I'm saying. I don't have much to say. I hope you understand. Because they say too much talking can never fill a basket. I hope you understand. So just take my number and call me or WhatsApp me. The number is 0240 392373 or 054 3821 626. I hope you understand. If you get this one of my numbers, call me. If you can't call me, text me and tell me all your problems, inshallah Rabbi, and we'll get solution to it. There is nothing in this planet, or there is no problem in this planet that does not have solution to it. Every problem in this planet gets solution to the problem. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So inshallah Rabbi, I'm here to let people know that the real spirit, if only you go to the place that you see the real person like me, the great Chief Sarkin Sabawan. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Don't say that you are tired, or don't say that where you are is far. Just take the number and call me. I hope you understand. Inshallah Rabbi, and all your problems will be solved. I hope you get what I'm saying. What kind of problem do you have in this planet? I solve both spiritual and physical problems. But what I need from you is that I need belief and trust from you. And have faith in what we are going to do. Because I'm also not God. I hope you understand. I have the genes and I have the gods that my left ancestors passed away and leave it to me. It's a family's gate spirit. It's not like I go for the spirit. It's in our house. Even if you come, I can take you to where my grandparents were working before my father and before my time. It's my time now to help all people who have spiritual problems in their homes, both spiritual and physical. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So what are you waiting for? You say you meet a lot of people, they didn't do anything to you. Okay, I'm the last stop of your journey. Take the number and call me. If you can't call me, WhatsApp me. I hope you understand. Inshallah Rabbi, and your problems will be solved. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? I do a lot of work and I do a lot of things in this planet. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So I want to show people to see what they call real spirit or what they call magic. You understand? There's real spirit in our kingdom. I hope you understand. Wherever that you are, whether you are in Italy, Germany, Bahrain, Dubai, England, Canada, Zambia, Zimbabwe, mention them for me. Mention them for me. You, the person who is watching at me, you have a lot of problems. So just take the number and tell me your problem, and I'll get solution to your problem. And your life and destiny will never be the same. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? My brother, my sister, my father, my mother, what are you waiting for? It's because of you that I'm here. And I'm here to put stop to all the challenges and the difficulties and the suffering that you suffered in your family. I don't need anything from you. Before you reach me, what I need from you is the money that you will use to buy the items. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So what are you waiting for? Just take my number. The number is 0240392373 or 05438212626. I hope you understand what I'm saying. I'm doing a lot of work, both spiritual and what? Physical. I hope you understand what I'm saying. There are a lot of work that I'm doing. I hope you understand. And I'm not here to mention all. You yourself, you know the spiritual problem that you are facing. I'm not in your home or I'm not in your house. You know the kind of problem that you are facing. I hope you understand what I'm saying. You know the kind of problem that you are facing. I hope you get me. If you need instant money, call me. The instant money is different. I hope you understand what I'm saying. The instant money is different. And it depends upon the amount of money that you want. That will tell you the amount of items that we will use to buy and work the team. I hope you understand what I'm saying. I'm not telling you to send me 10 million and I will give you 100 million. I hope you understand. But what I'm telling you is that there is instant money. I hope you understand. There is instant money, and the instant money, it depends upon the amount of money that you want. I hope you understand. Before I will tell you the amount of money that you will bring to buy the items needed for the work, before we can start everything and proceed. I do spiritual money. The spiritual money is different. We have the ring one. I hope you understand. The ring one, it can give you money every 3 days. That is the spiritual one. It can give you money every 3 days and can only last for only 9 months before the ring will stop giving you the money in spiritual. And we have the packet no dry. I hope you understand. The packet no dry too is different. You understand? The one that you know you can do, because it has the number of amount that it can give you based on the items that you spend to do the work. I hope you understand what I'm saying. And we have the snake money too. It's also part of the spiritual money. We have the snake money. The snake there is giving you money every day. It can even give you more than $1 million US. I hope you understand what I'm saying. And we have some, it's a wristwatch. It's also part of the spiritual money. The wristwatch will be giving you money every 1 week and can only last for only 6 months before the ring, the watch will stop giving you the money. I hope you understand what I'm saying. And we have the cultism. That is the secret society, the brotherhood. And we don't use any human being or any human blood to do the work. What we use is animals and spiritual spirits we will use to do what? To get solution to your problem, and your life and destiny will never be the same. I hope you understand. If you are facing from marriage problem, so one day, if he have a woman, 2 days or 3 days, he will be having an affair with the woman and they will break up. It means woman cannot stay in your house. And someday it's a woman. If you have a relationship with a man, within some days, the man will quit. He and the man will quit and they will never have a relationship again. Come, and I will do you love boundary. I will bind your heart to the man and you will be forever. I hope you understand what I'm saying. And someday, on the marriage side too, someday they don't have lucky for women. They don't have lucky. Any woman that they see and say they are falling in love, the man will never get impact to the person. And the woman too, the same thing. You can come for girls, you can come for boys, you can come for love boundary. I hope you understand. It's all under marriage problem. I hope you understand. Someday your spirit may be high, someday your spirit may be low. That's why you are not getting woman in life. So if you come to me, I'm going to check your star. then I will see where the problem is lying or where the problem is coming from. Then we'll get solution to it before we proceed, and all what you need to be solved. I always say that I'm not God, but I can only describe them. God will put his blessing eyes on what I'm going to do, and everything will make successful for us. I hope you understand what I'm saying. If you have traveling issue, you can come. If you have visa problem, you can come. Infertility, if you are not born, if you are not giving birth, the problem may come from the man or the woman. Bring yourself here. Then we will check and see where the problem is, and we'll get solution to it. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Listen to me very well. I hope you understand. There are a lot of spiritual problems in this life. If you have stroke, come to me, inshallah, and it shall be solved. I hope you understand. There are a lot of things that I'm doing. I hope you understand what I'm saying. If you want to pass your exams, if you are writing and you are not passing, take my number. Inshallah, Rabbi, I'm going to help you, and you pass all the papers that you are going to write. With God's name, not my name. Because I always put God in front before doing anything else. And I'm not here to destroy, I'm here to what? To maintain, or I'm here to solve problems. I hope you understand. You know the problem that you are facing, I don't know. So take my number and call me, and your life and destiny will never be the same. What kind of spiritual problem are you facing? Improvement in business. Lotto numbers. The lotto numbers is 2. We have 5 direct and we have 2 direct. So if you need it, I will check which one will match with your star, or which one will go with your star. Whether we should work the 5 or we should work the 2. The one that will match with your star, then we'll do it. If you come, I don't need your anything. You will go to the market with my brothers or my boys to gather all the items needed for the work with your money. Then you come, then we'll do everything, and everything will be successful for you. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So you are looking at me, take my number. What is the problem? Just take my number. I hope you understand. If you are not giving birth, take my number. I can let you give birth. If you want position in work, the politicians, what are you waiting for? You can never be doing something with white ICSO. All the politician members that you are seeing, they are having their godfathers. So what are you waiting for? Just take the number. The number is 024 039 2373 or 054 38 21 626. Inshallah, Rabbi, and your life and destiny will never be the same. I hope you understand. I've talked a lot, or I've said a lot. I solve all kinds of spiritual problems in this planet, both spiritual and physical. So mention your problem for me and take my number and call me or text me on WhatsApp and tell me your problem. Inshallah, Rabbi, then I will take God in front, then I will do everything, and your life and destiny will never be the same. I want to do something small for the people to see. I hope you understand. What I say I can do it. And what I cannot do, I cannot say I can do it. People used to call me talk and do, because whatever that I say, I do it. I never said something and I did not do it. I hope you understand what I'm saying. You can't use 2 eyes to look inside a bottle unless 1 eye. So you, the person who is watching me, cameraman, I want you to put the camera on stage, because many people are here doing post and play video. I want people to see what they call real spirit. If you meet me, you are going to see what they call spirit. But believe and trust before you come to me. If you don't believe me, never take my number. If you don't trust me, never call me or say you need help from me, because I'm working with truth and faithfulness. And your faith will save you. Your truthfulness will save you. Your kindness will save you. I hope you understand. So I don't have much to say. I want to do something small for the viewers to see that whatever that I say I can do, I will do it. I hope you understand. I want the whole people to see this thing. What is inside this? There is nothing inside. I want the whole world to see what they call spirit. If you come to me, you will see what they call spirit. Believe in spirit, and always you'll be seeing the symptoms of spirit, or you'll be seeing the action of spirit. Many people are not believing spirit, and they are not getting solution to their problem. Is that their heart is too when they are into spiritual, and spiritual work is not, you don't want doubt. I hope you see. I want the whole people to see what they call real spirit. If only you reach me. I hope you understand. So what can you see inside here? There is nothing. And I want to command something for you to see what they call spirits. Mami wata kontambura tambufu mayaya abana fuma de kansu dinja pasara dinja chumi kinja so dinja ko dinja la dinja aya bina mami ngo so dinja ko dinja ngo misha kwa tuni chelo kana krata de India Burkina Faso dinja ngani chubra ko kata kurmanya nyamba ka chini bila kangwa mayaya yu bendem bana jaka ko bendem sa jaka ko kana fo mino pali ai dan fo kana wumba mino pali ni mazo ndo alazin mami wata kontambura tambufu ya chenja anina pa alazin fa wala si mami wata kontambura tambufu mayaya abana fuma de kansu dinja pasara ni chumi kinja so dinja ko dinja la dinja aya bina mami ngo so dinja ko dinja ngo misha kwa zavi cheka krata de India Burkina Faso. What have you seen? What have you seen? You the pastors, what are you waiting for? Come for miracle. I hope you understand. Come for miracle and all your problems will be solved. This is just small. But I want you to see and know that whatever that I say I can do it. I want the whole people to see what is inside this. My brothers and sisters, watch what they call real spirit. If you only believe in spirit, that is how spirit is going to be working for you. I hope you understand. Believe in spirit and see the action of it or see the symptom of it. That is why I say I'm not boasting that I'm the best. I hope you understand. But I can only describe them. God will put his blessing eyes on it and it's going to work for me and you all. I hope you understand. So watch inside and see. What can you see there? There is nothing that you can see. What are you seeing? My brothers, followers. So what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? What are you seeing? You the one who are looking at me, what are you seeing? So just rush. Take my number and call me. I hope you understand. Or WhatsApp me and your life and destiny will never be the same. I hope you understand. I do a lot of work. I hope you understand. What work do you need? Instant money, marriage problem, spiritual money, packet load drive. What do you need? Just tell me what you need. And I'll find solution to your problem. I hope you understand. So don't worry. What you have seen is just small. I hope you understand. I want you to see what they call real spirit. I hope you get me. And know that whatever that I say I can do it. So what are you waiting for? Come on, show this thing to them for them to see. For me, I want them to see. What are they seeing inside? There is nothing inside. Look inside. There is nothing inside. There is nothing inside. You can see. Come on, let them see everything. And know that whatever that we say we can do it. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Come on, watch inside. What are they seeing? There is nothing inside. I want to show people what they call real spirits. I hope you understand what I'm saying. I want to show people what they call spirits. Mami wata kwantambra tambufu mayaya abana fuma de kensu jinja pasara jinja na chimbo jinja so jinja bukana jinja lazina jinja aya dina mwana ngoro wasu duna ngoro kod duna ngoro bon duna ngoro be shaka mazabu incha kana kraka be India Burkina Faso brana be chubura bon hata kurmanya nya baraka chini bilaka ngwai bengam baraja kan ko bengam saja kan ko kabala fo mino pari ai dan fo kana bon bola mino pari ni mazo ndona jake chenja amina pa des kwantambra tambufu mayaya abana adina mwana ngoro wasu duna ngoro wasu duna ngoro be shaka mazabu duna ni chela kana ankara ka be Burkina Faso. What are you seeing? I want the viewers to see that whatever that I say I can do. I hope you understand what I'm saying. What are you seeing? I want the whole viewers to see what they call real spirit. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Man wata kwantambra tambufu mayaya abana fuma de kensu jinja pasala na chimo jinja so jinja bukana jinja lesina jinja aya dina mwana ngoro wasu dina ngoro koduma ngoro bon dina ngoro be shaka masara dina hincha kana ankara ka ni Burkina Faso brana mi chubura ko fata kuma nyembra ka chini black ngwa. What are you seeing, my brothers? So what are you waiting for? Just take the number. The number is 0240 39 23 73 and all your problems will be solved. What kind of spiritual problems do you have? Instant money, spiritual money, birth problem, traveling to abroad, court cases, spiritual marriage, spiritual bandage, spiritual sickness. I hope you understand. So what are you waiting for? I solve all kind of spiritual problems, both spiritual and physical. So you the one who are watching for me, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Just take the number and call me or WhatsApp me, and your life and destiny will never be the same. Eh, man, what a contemporary and from ya abuna from the kensu. Ginger, pasara ginger, ginger, so ginger, bukana, ginger, as in ginger and ginger. Eh, and what I get money was to do your problem, your shop, nature can crack at the India, Burkina Faso, and Chubra, but for the promotion, black, black. What are you seeing? My brothers and sisters. So what are you waiting for? Just take the number. I'm doing a lot of spiritual problems, solving a lot of spiritual problems for people. So if you are waiting for me to call you or to tell you to text me, then it's yourself, because me, I have no problem. You are the one having the problem. I hope you understand. So what are you seeing? I want you to check and see. That is why I say whatever that I say I will do it. And what I said I cannot do it. I hope you understand. I want you to see and believe, because spiritual man, white man says see is believe. I hope you understand. So what are you waiting for? Just take the number and call me. I hope you understand. And your life and destiny will never be the same. What problem do you have? And never say that you are tired. If you are going to some place and we are not reaching there, never say you are tired. I'm the last stop of your journey. Come to me. Just take my number and come to me, and your life and destiny will never be the same. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Dollars! What are you waiting for? Just take the number and call me. I hope you understand. And your life and destiny will never be the same. What are you seeing? What problem do you have? I can't mention them. Mention them for me. I hope you understand. What are you seeing? This is what they call money. I hope you understand. So what are you waiting for? Just take my number and call me, and your life and destiny will never be the same. I'm not God, but I can only describe that God will put His blessing eyes on it, and everything will work for us. So what are you waiting for? I hope you can see. Whatever that I say I can do it. I hope you understand. That is why people call me talk and do. This is the great chief Sarkin Sabah powers. Call me on 0240 392373, and your life and destiny will never be the same. I hope you understand what I'm saying. What kind of problem are you facing in this planet? Whether spiritual or physical, just take the number. The number is 0240 392373 or 054 3821 626. Inshallah, Rabbi, and your life and destiny will never be the same. I hope you understand what I'm saying. What are you waiting for? You have seen a lot that I've done. So what are you waiting for? Just take the number and call me, and your life and destiny will never be the same. What problem are you facing? Birth rate, infertility, instant money, spiritual money, court cases, police cases, traveling to abroad. I hope you understand. Position in work, improvement in business, success in exams. Mention them for me. I hope you understand what I'm saying. That is why I said I solve a lot of kind of problems, both spiritual and physical, and I cannot be mentioned. And you yourself, you know what they call spiritual. I hope you understand. So call me for any kind of spiritual problem that you have. I don't have time to mention all what I'm doing. You know the problem that you are facing. I hope you understand. So kindly take the number and call me. If you can't call me, text me on WhatsApp and tell me your problem, and I will get solution to it. And your life and destiny will never be the same. I hope you understand. That is why I said, if you don't believe me or trust me, never call me or take my number. Because I'm working with belief and trust and faithfulness. If you have belief in what we are going to do, Inshallah Rabbi, your work is going to be only 1 day work or 2 days, and your life and destiny will never be the same. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Just tell me the kind of problem that you are facing. Both spiritual and what? Physical. I solve all kind of problems in spiritual. I hope you understand. Considering what kind of sickness or what kind of problem is it, just take my number and call me. I hope you understand. I'm doing all kind of works, or all kind of spiritual work, or all kind of positive or negative that is in spiritual. I hope you understand. If you reach me, you know that there is real spirit. I hope you get what I'm saying. So don't sit there and say that you are tired. This is the last stop of your journey. I'm going to put stop to all the challenges and the suffering and the difficulties in your family. And your life and destiny will never be the same. If you are going to somewhere and you have never reached there, don't say that you are tired. I'm going to put stop to all the journeys that you've been. Just take the number. It's the number that you have to take. And call me or WhatsApp me for any kind of spiritual problem that you have. I hope you understand. I solve all kind of problems, both spiritual and what's physical. I hope you understand. I can't mention them. You know what is worrying you, or you know where the problem is lying on your home. Wherever that the country that you are, any country that you are, just take my number. The distance is no problem. We can work everything online without not you coming here. If only you believe and have faith in what we are going to do. So I don't have much to say. I'm just telling the viewers to take the numbers who have the spiritual problem, both spiritual and what physical. Just call me or text me and tell me your problem, and your life and destiny will never be the same. Insha'Allah Rabbi. I don't have much to say. I hope you understand. And I'm to tell you, the viewer, the one who is having the problem, because me, I don't have any problem. I'm only out to solve problems. So if you have the problem, just take the number and call me or WhatsApp me, and we'll talk more about your problem and we'll get solution to it, and your life and destiny will never be the same. I hope you understand. So I don't have much to say. What you need to do is just take my number and call me. Assalamu alaikum.
Tibu kwata tini ku gata bun shelni gatin da bin da barga banda bin jamdini bun kanam la won turi ya masasirana yusu jamna wuni turu bun kala